So you want to buy your first drone, but you have no idea where to start. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael, and today we're going to help you make a decision on regarding what type of drone to buy as your first drone. So my first drone that I first started out with was a toy drone, just because back then having to buy a professional drone or semi-professional drone was quite expensive. Not to mention they were actually quite large too, so carrying them around wouldn't be that great of an experience. So my first drone was actually this one right here. Yep, this was my first drone, which as you see I still have. So although I have crashed it just a couple of times, it still works. And I'd rather crash something more like this rather than something like this, which to this day, luckily, I have not crashed this one. And this is my second semi-professional drone that I've been using, and I absolutely love it just because it helps you create memories from a different perspective that you typically won't be able to get from a handheld camera, your cell phone. And I really think it brings to life a lot of memories that you wish if you didn't have, you wish you did have. So if you're definitely interested in getting into drones, now is the time. Also, these are a perfect toy to play with inside the house sometimes. Yeah! No, but really, I do think this drone or something like it would be a wise decision to buy, especially in the beginning if you're learning how to fly a drone, just because it does not incorporate a GPS system where it hovers in place and helps you fly. As you can see, this is not the easiest to keep in place. It was okay, after, I got some experience, but initially, no. After I practiced with, my toy drone and get used to it, because it's important to know how to fly a drone manually, just in case something happens, it doesn't hover in place and you need to take control of it. You need to be comfortable. So after you feel comfortable flying something like this, and you want to get another drone that actually has a camera, my suggestion is getting the DJI Mavic Mini, which just came out a couple of days ago, which is just a little bit larger than this, but has a camera similar to this. No, they're not exactly the same camera, but they're similar. And the size of it and what you're able to actually do with it and the price range, it's quite incredible. I think it starts around $399 at the moment, which I'm sure over time, you could probably get even a cheaper deal because the prices will fall. So that is my recommendation to you guys. Don't start out with, buying a really expensive drone from the very beginning is my suggestion, just because drones do crash. Oops. If you're flying a drone and you're flying it over a long period of time, expect for it to crash more than likely at some point. So I would hate for you all to buy a really expensive drone and crash it within the first week. It's better to start off with something smaller, something like a toy, get used to how it flies, crash this if you have to, just don't crash it above somebody, make sure you fly wisely in the air. And when you gain more experience, at that point, go ahead and buy something along the lines of the DJI Mavic Mini, which is an incredible drone, especially if you're going on vacation, you want to get some shots from the air of your children or your family or your friends. It's quite incredible. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you found this information helpful. And if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach me by leaving a comment down below, and I'll try to answer as many of them for you guys as possible. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.